Hey guys, long time no see, but I'm finally back. I was on vacation for 1 week, as you already know, and I just came back yesterday. No, 2 days ago, and yeah. So today I'll be opening a fidget toy blind bag. Let's open it first and see what's in it. I have my little scissors. Let's see the back first. Ooh! Pink is uncommon. Blue is common. Yellow is rare. Rare, that means it's not really rare. Purple is rare. Orange is legendary. Ooh, okay. Let's open in this fidget toy blind bag. Okay. Ooh, I feel something. I'm not gonna cut there. I'm gonna try to. Okay, so I've got it a bit open. Now let's see this. Ooh, this is legendary. I'm going out good. Let's feel this. Kind of feel like a simple dimple. I think this is a simple dimple. It's legendary. And I think the simple dimples are actually pretty Betty. So yeah, I think this is the simple dimple. It's hard to record with one hand sometimes. Ah! I have to put my phone like this. I'm sorry. Okay, I have the packaging open. Let's see what it is. It's a simple dimple. Wow. Nice. Now let's open this. Ooh, this is rare. I think this is a bike chain. Let's open it. Boop, boop. Let's see. Oh, it's a blue bike chain. I think. If I'm not sure. Oh, yes. And this is this is uncommon. Thought it was legendary at first. Oh, it's an acupressure ring. Super cool. Ooh, this is legendary. It's orange. Now let's open this. I don't have any things to what it is, so yeah, I'm just gonna open it. And it's a snappers. Oh, my snappers. It's a lot of noise though. Ooh, this is another legendary. It's actually very big, so I think this is a puppet. Okay, let's open it. I'm gonna torture myself to not break the thing inside it, because I don't want to cut it in accident. I think I know what it is. Hello. Can you get out? Oh, yes, it is a puppet. It's my Among Us puppet. Okay, let's open it. This is rare. Okay, so then let's open it. I don't really know what this is, so yeah. Hope it's something good. I totally forgot what's in these fidget packs because I did this 1 month ago, and I left it on my bed, and right now there's a lot more than I expected on my bed. Oh, my fidget pad, I missed you. I love my fidget pad so much. Now, this is the last thing until this video ends. Then comment. I never got comment before, but we've got a lot. Oh, I'm feeling, I feel like these are long. These are marble meshes. This is the stuff I got. Ooh. This is the stuff I got in this fidget toy blind bag surprise. Okay, so I'm just gonna like arrange it because it's like very no dirty. Okay, so in 3, 2, and 1, go. I've got 2 marble mesh, which are commons. I got 1 snappers, which is legendary. I got this, which is rare, I think. Oh, yeah. I got an acupressuring that is actually uncommon. I got a simple dimple that is legendary. Got a fidget pad that is what was in here? Is it the fidget pad? No, this is, oh, I don't know if it was legendary or common. Oh, it was rare. And a puppet, which is legendary. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like to my channel. Bye, guys.